Hello boss. Welcome to AAA-Long Tech. We're proud to be your trusted source for premium handmade crochet baskets, crafted with passion and precision right here in China. Our team of skilled artisans puts heart and soul into every crochet Moses basket, ensuring that each one offers not only comfort and safety for newborns but also a touch of timeless style that enhances any nursery. Over the years, we've built strong partnerships with Amazon sellers, wholesalers, and retailers around the globe, all of whom appreciate our commitment to quality, custom design options, and factory direct pricing. When you choose us, you're investing in a tradition of exceptional craftsmanship and reliability that will help you grow your business. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to partnering with you. Let's create a better tomorrow together.